Namaste. Today I am teaching you how to start your meditation and using breath to concentrate. Breath is the main key between your body and in your mind. If you work on your breath, your mind will be calm. Let's sitting any easy comfortable pose. You can sit down in an even chair or on sofa, or best to sit down on yoga mat. Hands to your knees, touching index finger with your thumb, eyes closed. Just follow my instructions. Let's keep relaxing your face and facial muscles. More soften your shoulders, your neck, but keep back straight. Gentle smile. Witness moment to moment. A little bit more relax your mind. Just let go all past. Let go all thoughts, emotions. Just follow my instructions. Let's pay attention on your breathing. Feel your breath as you exhale, how deep you are exhaling. As you inhale, how big you are inhaling, but it's all slowly. I will guide you few breathing together. Let's exhale. Inhaling slowly and longer. Exhaling. Inhaling happier. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling longer. Happier inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Wonderful. Let's soft your breath. Just feel already calm and relaxed. Feel you're able to concentrate, you're able to focus on third eye. Feel beautiful divine light. Wonderful. Next step. With holding breath out and in, I will guide you. Please follow my instructions. Continue eyes closed. Let's exhale longer. Hold breath out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale slowly and longer. Hold breath in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling longer, slowly and longer. Hold breath out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slow and long. Hold breath in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale long, empty, empty. Hold breath out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Hold breath in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, last round, little more empty. Hold breath out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Hold breath in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. And soft your breath. Just meditate into third eye. Your mind is calm, you are relaxed. Your meditation practice charge you internally. Just sitting straight, quiet for a few moments. So beautiful, very calming, grounding, bring stability, and allow to feel you who you are. You are blissful, joyful, playful, expandable, loving, kind. That's you, that's your identity. Beautiful. Let's bring palms in Namaskar Mudra. One Om Tiri Shanti together softly. Inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Proud yourself. My blessings to you. Namaste. Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhand Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yoga Nidra, Pranayam, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.